Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location and time you're watching my video. You can pause the video and read the disclaimer. So let's dive into the business. Um, if this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, greeting you from the land of the rising sun. I use the advanced method of Elliott Wave theory to analyze and trade. I want to give you my usual weekly analysis, which is my personal view on the markets. Okay, so now let's go into the business. DSY is where we normally start. Now, DSY, when the market was coming down to this zone, here was my target. It couldn't get to my target, maybe some pips away, then it turned. Then when it turned, I said, here is my target. Minimum of 107.9 or above. Now it has hit the reversal zone and it has turned. So you can see this movement is enough to convince people that the market will sell. Though it may say buy, but right now I can't buy DXY now. I'm only looking for sell. So let me go down to 4 hours. On 4 hours, I have not seen any pattern to sell. And of course, if I was watching the market when this happened, if I was watching the market when this happened, I would have sold from here. But I wasn't watching because I cannot get all the market at the time. So now this look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm watching it to know whether it will go lower or it will begin to correct from here. Then maybe if it begin to correct, I will sell from here. If it goes lower, it means I will now change the area where I will buy. So for now, no sales top yet, but to buy, I don't want to buy. If you see anything to buy, you can buy. But for me, I don't want to buy DSY now. So let's continue. USD card. USD card. What I didn't like on USD card is this sharp movement is where I have a little issue. Though I was looking to do something like this to give me an any diagonal. If I got any diagonal, I would have sold. But because of this sharp movement, I need to wait to be sure of what I'm doing. So now, when the price close below this place, it means it's beginning to sell. Nevertheless, I can spot set it up from here. But this is analysis, not a trading station. If you want to know how to spot sales setup, buy setup at the beginning of trend reversal, then you can join my channel. Meanwhile, you will see links on my bio. I have 2 Telegram channel. I mean 3 Telegram channel. Two is free. One is for students and the VIP. So if you want to learn from me how to analyze the markets, you can join you can message me directly. My phone number is there. It's working on WhatsApp and Telegram. You contact me, and I'll tell you what you're gonna do. So USD card, I'm looking for sell, no sell yet. USD chef, USD chef. I'm also looking for sell, no sell yet. This very market is not convincing as an impulse, though it may become an impulse. But for now, I have no reason to sell it because we can still get a new high. Though I'm no longer expecting new high, but I want to see a reason to sell. Now, no reason to sell, but I can secondly, I cannot buy it now because I'm convinced that the buy has ended here. Even if it will buy again, maybe a little higher than this, it will to drop. So I like to trade what is clear. There are so many trades to take. So I cannot take the one that is confusing. Okay. USD, USD, the same situation, but the difference is that DXY, the universal zone just touched it and began to go. That is something like that, but this one had gone deep into the universal zone. So this one, I bought it around here. So I'm gonna leave it because I think it will do a kind of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So I'm look I don't I'm not looking for it to give me a new low. Okay, so it's buying and I'm buying it. Pounds USD, the same thing. I think we may only get little correction, something like this, then it will buy again. But for new low, I don't think it will happen now. Though anything can happen in the market, but from my calculation, this is the last wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna get 1 to a kind of 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue going up. So that's what I'm expecting on pounds USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. The possibility of a new low still remain. We may get a new low before we buy. So let's keep watching. Above this place, I'll be looking for buy. But for now, we may still sell before it buy. Using the USD, I don't think we are getting a new low. To me, it will continue to go up, up for now. So I'm no longer looking for it to sell. JBT25, JBT25, I've been going sideways. I expect it to give me a proper drop. I want to see something like this, a kind of big drop. What is sometimes the market will waste time. Then after many people have lost interest, they will begin to move. So I have known all this for a long time. So I'm not bothered. Whenever they are delaying, I'll be waiting. Just like what happened this week on yen page. You can see yen page. I told you that I'm looking for it to drop, but they were delaying and delaying and delaying. Now they are dropping. So nothing to explain. Good APY. I'm looking for a new low. Even if it will give me a new low, it will come at least somewhere 155, 156, 154. So I'm looking for a new low on USD. And anyway, I sold around here. It is still open. I didn't close it. I told you last week that my trades can be on for 2 weeks. I don't, because that's my style. Swing trade. I didn't say USDPY because I won't trade everything, but I know it is going down. This place is a minimum place, or that it will drop to this place, correct, and go down again. So yen pays for now, they are selling. People are making massive money. If you've been following me, you're making money. Pounds JPY, the same thing, it is dropping. It's gonna break this place, keep dropping. A new low is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for. Even if you didn't give me a new low, it will be close below this view wave. So let's keep watching. If you haven't bought, maybe you consider placing sell stop below this place. Sell stop here. Sell stop here. I think it will be a good idea. Stop loss this place. So for now, yen pays selling. Let's go to gold. Gold is one of the shortest trades this week. Let me show you one-on-one. The labeling make it to look a kind of cloudy. So gold, I want to see gold to give me the wave C. You can see wave C is always 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once it's complete, this wave C will drop. So to make it a big A, B, C. After that, it begins to go up. So now it will now be wave 1, wave 2, and so on. So it will be a nice trade for those who will catch it. Silver, the same similar situation. Silver to me, this is wave 1. Wave 2, maybe around 30.2, 30.1, or a bit lower. Meanwhile, this is a reminder. This is wave 1. Wave 2 can go as low as this place. Wave 2 can come as low as this place. And as long as it didn't go below the beginning of wave 1, it's still valid. So why am I saying this? I mark this place as target. If you see the market make a double correction and drop again, don't say that I misled you. It means you don't have knowledge. So just learn this one now. Wave 2 can go as low as you can think. So maybe it may go from here. It may make A, B, C deep and C go. But what am I trying to say? I'm not telling silver and gold now. I'm only buying. Platinum, the same thing. Platinum, I'm looking for it to buy from here. This is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Though the wave count is not convincing as an impulse because there's no sharp move as wave 3. But sometimes markets can start slow and the peak. For instance, look at what happened here. There is a slow start here. You can see it, then it peak, then do this and do this. So it can start slowly and it can before you know it, it will peak. I've been seeing all these things for many years now. US oil. Remember, I told you that oil is selling. Though it needed to make a kind of unnecessary correction. You know, it made this correction and keep dropping. Oil, for me, oil is still dropping. Nothing to explain. I've saying it for some weeks now that oil is still dropping. Just know that this is wave 1. Then this is ABC wave 2. Then expect it to keep dropping. Maybe below 60, I don't know, but it's still dropping. That's all I can say. What again? NASDAQ. Okay. Oh. US 100. US 100, I'm somehow surprised because last week, you know, this is wave A, this is wave B. I thought it ended here. Then I actually sold around the here. I sold around the here. Then I was waiting this to happen. Mind you, it will still happen, but it is still going up. I don't know when it will end. Maybe it will still come to this zone and drop, or even go higher and drop. So I'll stop looking for sell until it goes above this place. Then I will assume it will no longer drop. But to me, this is just a perfect wave A. Maybe with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A. Then A, B, C with C. Then I can say W, X, Y. So I'm still looking for it to drop. But now, no sell setup as of now. This to me served as a setup, but it dropped and went back. My order closed at break even, little profit, because my target is this big profit. It will still happen. I know that. SP 500. I told you that the selling zone is almost, sorry, the buying zone is is coming to an end that I'm looking for it to sell. So right now, it may either enter the reversal zone before selling, or it will end here. Maybe sell little and go up again. For right now, I want to see it sell before I buy. Then if I see a good reason to sell, I will sell. Right now, I'm just watching how it will react as we're 5 ending before next action. We're starting. One of my favorite trades this time around. I want to see it to give me sales setup. Right now, it is at my reversal zone. Here is my target for the reversal. Remember, I bought from here, I closed it around here. Right now, it is still going gradually, which I know it will reverse at any time. So if you're standing with me, remind me to update it on Telegram channel. Just remind the US start what's up, then I will take a look. Dow Jones, I want to see it give me an ABC. It's buying, sure, but I want to see an ABC before I buy again. Maybe it will go to this line. I don't know, but for now, no buy, no sell. Okay, I have finished what I have with you on this one. So let me now go to Bitcoin and his younger brothers. Cryptos. I don't know how much to tell you about Bitcoin, but at least, even if you are not a good technical analyst, even if you are not a good technical analyst, you'll be agreed with that Bitcoin is struggling to go up. It's not a good sign. Bitcoin is not struggling to go up. Remember, last 2 weeks, I said that Bitcoin may kiss 100K and begin to go down, or it will just come to this zone 100, 105, 103, 102, and begin to go down. And the current weakness in buying is trying to prove me right. So some people made enemy with me, but because they want to hear that Bitcoin is going to 200,000, 300,000, $1 million. I tell them Bitcoin will definitely get there, but not now. Bitcoin will likely kiss 100,000 and begin to correct. And you can see for how many days now, let me try to measure it. For how many days now? How many days? Oh. For how many days now? It could get to 100,000, struggling to go up. Struggling to go up. It is another one. Oh. But a week, not if you can listen to me, I'm money Bitcoin. Many people are looking at to see 120,000, 150,000. I'm afraid you may see something like this. You may see something like this. Oh. My fear is this. You may see something like this. Then a big drop, even another big drop before the buy starts. I know you don't want to hear this, but I have been in this business for many years. That's that when Bitcoin got to 70, near 70,000, I told those who are following me, stop buying. Many only few stopped buying. They sold. Many keep buying because the news will tell you that Bitcoin is going to 200,000, and they're believing them. But I have seen the charts. I know it will begin to drop. Imagine for 70,000 to 16,000. So be careful with Bitcoin. The strength of buyers have declined. And that's all I can say now about Bitcoin. So you are free to believe what you want to believe. If you think it's going to 1 million, you keep buying, it's your money. After all, if you gain, you will share your gain with me. And if you lose, I won't share your loss. But I will be happy if you gain. but I would be happy if you lose. So that's why I'm trying to tell you to be careful about the Bitcoin. If you have money in Bitcoin, at least take some, at least if you have, maybe you have $1,000 in Bitcoin, I will advise you to sell half or even sell 70%, leave the rest. When the price comes down again, you can now buy. But Bitcoin is coming down. Finished. Thank you, and God bless you.